What's going on?
I'm fine.
What hurts?
The back, especially the shoulders
Okay.
and the bottom of my back.
Okay. Okay.
Because I'm sitting all the time
Yep.
in the office wearing heels for salsa and bachata.
Okay.
So this is like the main problem that I got.
Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, good. And your feet, ankles, legs?
Yeah.
Those two.
Those
Add that on the list. Okay, cool.
The part, yeah, all the salseras have the same problem, but
Okay.
the problem too is that I'm wearing heels during the day
Okay.
and in the evening, so I have a double problem.
Okay.
Because I'm wearing heels.
Okay, okay, cool. Then yeah, we work on that. I start on feet, hips, shoulders, and then the ankle after.
Eindelijk.
Perfect.
Oh my god, tickling me. Oh, David.
Really? So sick right now?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's good. Healthy feet then.
Oh my gosh. It's like 1,000 on my.
Really? Really? Okay, that's good. It's definitely waking the feet up.
Oh my god, yeah, there it is. Oh. Yeah, it's there. The
Right
habits,
there.
you know. Oh
Yeah.
my god, Jesus.
Yeah, you have two sesamoid bones there. So it's
Yeah.
like your knee scheibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got two of them right in your toe.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. And this is why they always get jacked up.
Oh my god.
Especially with the heels.
Oh.
Yeah, but this hamstring feels a little bit better than the other one.
Yeah, it is. There's not so much pain. Yeah, there is it. Oh my god. Damn it. God. Oh my god.
Oh, yep, there it goes. Right there.
Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. My god. Oh. Oh. Unbelievable, this fucking pain right now. Oh my god.
Yeah, right as we thought one side might have been a little bit better. Yeah, right there too, huh?
Yeah. This is shocking. Oh my god.
This might be a little bit nicer there for you.
Oh.
All the right's worse, huh?
Yeah. Oh my god. Grazie. Jesus.
Yeah, it's a little bit tighter on this side.
Ah. Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Relax, relax.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Can we just have a break?
Yeah, for sure. I can also push lighter, but that's just right in your, scapula, right in your shoulder blade, right there.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
That's all good.
Fucking insane. Oh.
Since your top is off and camera's on the left, it's maybe always good that you rotate towards me and not towards the camera. If you need to rotate at all.
Oh. Oh my god.
I go and relax. Just like that.
Yeah, that was the hurting the pain
Here.
that I told you, yes.
Okay.
And on my head is just coming from that part.
Yeah. Yeah, it's usually here is right where your two muscles.
Yeah.
You have your trap, so this guy right here.
Yeah.
And then one called that levator scapula that goes from here to
Yes,
here. And they cross. And this is why everybody has a massive trigger point right here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Fuck. Ah. 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 Damn. Oh. Ah. Oh my god.
Yeah, you're super tight on both sides right there.
Yeah. Oh.
Just try to breathe through it.
Oh. Quick break.
Yeah.
My gosh. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Oh yeah, there it is right there.
Ah. Oh.
Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out.
Oh.
Yeah, that was always a bit painful. Actually, your head is perfect just like that. Let's see here. Breathe in. And out.
Oh.
Good. Other way. Good. Breathe in. And out. Good. Growth.
Oh.
Alright, so I give you a break for a second, turn off the camera.
Yes.
And I let you turn your